What's up, recteq family? I'm Chef Greg, your Director of Culinary Innovation, and we're going to bring you the ultimate holiday party hors d'oeuvre right here coming off this RT 1250. Smelling delicious already. We're only preheating that grill using that Wi-Fi app. 425 degrees burning those recteq Ultimate Blend pellets. But to get this party started, I've got 2 pounds of really soft butter. We might not use all of this, but I'm gonna be making a lot of recipes using herb butter, so I made a lot today. We've got some shallots, some basil, some parsley. I'm gonna get chopping. We're gonna mix this up and start making some amazing shrimp cargo. So if you come over to my house for Christmas Day food, you will be disappointed because we do not have a big meal. We basically make a bunch of hors d'oeuvres and snacks, and we kind of graze all day long, give the chance for the kids to kind of play with their stuff. More importantly, I wanted a day off, so I always pick easy things that I can cook on the recteq kind of all day long, and I don't have to worry about dishes or prepping or cleaning up. This is something I can do ahead of time, throw it on the grill, and the kids absolutely enjoy this. All right, here we go. It looks perfect. All those herbs going in the pool. All right, not done yet. We've got some of that Chef Greg's 4-letter rub. We're gonna add a good bit of that in there as well. Maybe about a tablespoon or so. That all-purpose deliciousness to get that party started. Some of that Colden's Freaking Greek. Again, we'll go ahead and engage riot mode. About a tablespoon. And we're just gonna mix this up. And for me, this is like the ultimate holiday butter. If I'm making some sauteed vegetables or some smoked asparagus, and put some of this on the top. Add some horseradish in here and crust a prime rib. Ooh, child, please. Shout out to our friends at theoysterbed.com. They hooked it up with this fantastic pewter oyster dish, but we're not cooking oyster today. We're cooking shrimp cargo. So what I'm gonna do is, I like to double up my shrimp, and these still have the tails on. So I'm gonna put 2 shrimp into each of these holes, okay? And if you don't have this dish, you can definitely use a mini muffin cup. That's fine too. And I like to kind of overlap the tails together so they sit really nice and neat in this pan. All right, so we're gonna take our shrimp and we're gonna go ahead and season these with a little bit of that 4-letter rub. Perfect. We're gonna grab this herb butter here, and we're gonna put like a good dollop on the top of each of these shrimp. And as this cooks, this herb butter is gonna like melt and baste and make these shrimp delicious. Love it. Then we have some boursin cheese, and again, this is a nice creamy herb cheese. All we're gonna do is take a chunk of this cheese and kind of just right on top of the butter. This is like my secret weapon here, okay? Just a little bit of that cheese on the top. Then we've got some provolone cheese, maybe like a half slice per. I think it looks perfect. And again, we preheated the RT 1250 to 425 degrees with those Ultimate Blend pellets. It's going to give us the perfect environment to incorporate some great flavor in our food, because it doesn't matter if you're cooking low and slow or hot and fast. Your recteq is going to give you the ultimate wood-fired flavor. All right, RT 1250, 425 degrees. We're looking like 12 to 15 minutes till that cheese is bubbly, that shrimp is cooked. Again, we got that muffin pan right here. We've also got that oyster pan. See you at the recteq. When the shrimp are almost done, I like to use some nice crusty French bread. You can toast this if you want, but for me, I like it kind of soft and chewy. Really just a preference thing. Make sure you guys check out recteq.com for all those amazing rubs and sauces to make your holidays a hit. You can see this is one of my favorite holiday snacks. You got that herb butter with the cheese, the smoke from that RT 1250, absolutely amazing. To eat this okay? And I apologize to everybody watching this video because, like, you need to smell and, like, so good. All right, so what I like to do is I like to take my bread, a little dip into the butter action. Come over here and grab the shrimp with the cheese. Just like that. One bite down the hatch, but I'm gonna wait because that's literally gonna melt the roof of my mouth. So to recap, we made an amazing herb butter with some shallots. You can put some garlic in there if you want. We use that 4-letter rub, some of that cold and freaking Greek, some fresh basil, parsley. We mix it up. We put our shrimp in this beautiful oyster bed pan. You can use a mini muffin cup too. We showed you guys how to use that. Put some butter in there, some Boursin cheese, a little Swiss cheese, maybe a little 4-letter rub on the top for good measure. 425 till the shrimp are cooked, right about 12 minutes or so till everything is absolutely bubbly and delicious. For more recipes like this, check out recteq.com. Happy holidays. We'll see you at the recteq.